You guys know I love Morocco. It is the first henna powder that I ever used, came from Morocco when I was in Montreal, and it just started the whole passion and invigoration and love and motivation that I have for starting Hennasooq. So we're gonna be getting into this new Moroccan collection that is a must-have for your hair and all of your skin needs. I mean, you see the skin, right? I mean, hello, Moroccan products. It helps me keep my skin nice, shining, beautiful, clear, healthy, hydrated, and reduces some of my wrinkles. So I really love it, and I want to share that with you. Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I am a leading henna hair color expert and Ayurvedic hair care specialist, and I specialize also and do gorgeous henna and jago body art right here in Columbia, Maryland, in our brand new space, retail salon, and our production facility all in one. So definitely, if you're in the area, you definitely need to check us out. So welcome. So let me get into this collection and why I love it so much. And I know you guys are gonna love it too. It's been a minute since we've had it. It's been probably, has it been a year, over a year since we had these in stock? So let's talk about this, because we also changed the style of the Moroccan collection. If you've been with us for a long time, you know that it looks a little different. You're like, okay, this is really different. It's, it's changed. First off, in the Moroccan collection, you have 4 essential products that can be a complete self-care day. And also not only great for your skin, but also for your hair. First and foremost, the rose water, hydration in a bottle. And it's not that awful smelling like artificial rose. This is the real rose from Morocco. When they have that rose festival, I mean, that's where we're getting this from, directly from the source. And then we have our brand new finishing spray, giving your hair all the shine. It's actually one of our best sellers in store. It just is flying off the shelves. So the finishing spray, and then we have your Argan Oil serum, which means it is the Argan oil procured by the Women's Cooperative in Morocco, the best argan as well, because the region that the argan grows in definitely plays a role in Morocco, like as far as like the quality and the consistency and the benefits, especially so. So Argan oil serum, meaning it's 100% pure. It's not cut with anything else. There's no olive oil. There's no artificial scents or ingredients. It's not your average argan oil, aka Moroccan oil. Like literally, this is good stuff. You guys should have a bottle on hand. It's a good go-to for sure. And last but not least, our Argan Oil shampoo and body bar. And it's just been given a new look, brand new boxes. Just, I mean, it's looking cute. Look at it. I mean, it's so good. And let me tell you why these are so good. You know, I have a special spot in my heart for Morocco and all Moroccan people. I'm not Moroccan. Some of you think that I might be Moroccan, but I'm not. My mom's Italian, my dad's Guyanese. And I also speak French on top of it because I'm from Montreal, so I get that a lot. So yeah, so I chose rose water specifically because it's very hydrating, and I love that it's multi-purpose use, can be for your hair and your skin. And again, it's not that artificial. You might think, oh, rose is heavy and rich and fragrant and something like old lady. No. But definitely the finishing spray, it just is a combination of those oils that give you benefits to hydrate both your hair, just give it that extra shine. And like when you want to pop and you want to go out, you know, you've done your style, you're looking good, and you just want that extra shine, and it smells so good. Like it smells, it's so good. You know, when I was in Morocco, I went to a women's cooperative and they showed me exactly how to press argan oil from the nuts. And it's not easy. It's not easy. You have the nuts, you gotta use a rock, stone, you know, to kind of like chop up that, you know, argan, get that outer shell, and you'll break it up till you get to the center of it, and that's what you need. You know, you take that, and then you can then from there like press it, and they have a whole process of like how they're mashing it and grinding it. Then Jamal's trying to break some argan nuts. He needs practice. want to see how she does it though. I'm about to bust my hand up. No, I'm not good at this stuff. No? Oh, it's the edge.
I did better, right?
Ah.
Alright, Allahu Akbar.
Okay. And just the whole process of that and seeing the women and working together and that they're building this foundation together as families, as a community, and it goes back into their pockets. So that's another thing with Moroccan products. You are really literally putting money back into the pockets of these women. That's exactly why I went to Morocco, because I want to see with my eyes exactly what's going on, what's happening. I need the facts. I like transparency, you guys know that. And seeing that was like, yeah, I need to support these women. I need to support, because come on, this stuff is so good, because everything is about intention. Everything you put into it is energy. All those things matter. So that's why I love this collection. I am still making the shampoo and body bars, and I knew the Argan Oil. I was like, I don't want to leave this shampoo and body bar all by itself. So it's a new addition to the Moroccan collection. I feel like it just needed to be with Morocco. It's completely like an Argan Oil shampoo body bar. And it's great for those of you who have sensitive skin, because there's no essential oils in it. There's no fragrance whatsoever. None. No fragrance, no artificial scents. It's great for sensitive skin and your hair. If you're sensitive in any type of way, this is for you. You can easily travel with it. It is a solid, rich bar, and it foams very nice. So if you're looking for something that's not going to irritate your skin, and I'm making these. These are being handmade, hand poured, hand mixed, hand boxed by us, and especially me. I do 75% of every single shampoo and body bar that you guys touch to this day. Let's get into the specifics of these products. They are ideally for all hair types, all hair textures. Even if you chemically color your hair or relax your hair, this is great for you. I would not recommend, though, when you're using the finishing spray, that you use any heat with it. It's not really good for any type of heat. So if you're like pressing out your hair, straightening it in any way, like, don't use this if you're going to be using heat. Use it at a later time. But what is good for heat, and it's good heat protectant oil and reduces frizzies, is definitely going to be the Argan Oil Serum. This is what you need for your go-to when you're doing those type of hair processes, and a little goes a long way. This is going to last you a good amount of time, probably even 6 months to a year. Like, it's gonna last you, unless you really fall in love with it and you like using it like all the time. The rose water. Oh, I love these bottles. They work so well. Look. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And the way that it feels on my skin, like, oh. And there's a steam distillation process when they're processing the Moroccan roses and water, and you get a little bit of that rose oil, which is very expensive if you ever want to buy rose oil, like pure rose oil, hella expensive. But there's a little bit of that oil still left during this distillation process, which makes it hydrating, just naturally hydrating. And I wanted to say, so say you want to plan like a regimen plan, right? It's your wash day, and you're planning your regimen for the day. You're like, okay, well, now that I know all about these products and how much, I have to have them and how much I have to use them, what's the process like? All right, so since you're going to be doing your skin and your hair at the same time, you can wash your face with the Argan Oil bar, and then you can also wash your hair as well. And it is super fatted, so it's very moisturizing. So if your hair is a bit on the like oily to normal side, just pace yourself. You might have to do an ACV when it comes to using the shampoo bars, because the ones that we have for your, your body and your hair. They basically are very rich in moisturizing as well. So just know that if you're using any of our shampoo or body bars, they do differ slightly in the levels of moisture, because every oil, of course, that we use in all our formulations can vary from, oil to oil. But just note that if it feels a little heavy, do an ACV rinse, which is just, apple cider vinegar, and just rinse, or use a conditioner to balance it back out and neutralize that. But definitely you would do this first. And then while you have dried your face and your hair is damp as well, you dried it a little bit, then that's when you're going to use the rose water and all over. Did I tell you I like this stuff? And then from there, the Argan serum. Okay, can you guys see that? Oh. And pure Argan oil no fragrances, no artificial scents or any of that garbage. It kind of has like the slight nutty scent, which you'd think it would linger and maybe stay in your hair. It absorbs really well. It just absorbs so nice. You can put in your hair and your skin, moisturize a little, all over, get your hair hydrated. Then from there, once you have done those steps, that's when you will use your finishing spray on your hair. So this is not for the skin, just your hair. And it comes out really nice in a really nice stream. And that's how the stream comes out. So it does come out in a very straight stream. So this has, it's infused with orange essential oils. So, anytime anyone smells this, they fall in love with it. Like I said, that's a bestseller in our Columbia, Maryland location. It's so good. Oh my goodness. It's so good. So you put it look at that. See the shine? I hope you can see it, kind of that natural shine. Since it comes out, as I mentioned, as a stream, you might want to spread it in your hands when you're doing your hair strands and kind of going through your hair, really gently comb it through, especially if you have protective styles. Oh, amazing for protective styles. Locks, yes, absolutely. As long as you know that if your hair doesn't like too much oil, I don't want you guys to get buildup either. So just, again, pace yourself, see what your hair likes and what it doesn't like. So there you have it. The Moroccan Collection from Argan Nuts, directly from Morocco, Moroccan Roses. I hope that this video has given you more insight onto the benefits of Moroccan products and our Moroccan collection. And then you can get started today. You can grab up these latest and limited edition products. And might I note that they are definitely seasonal. So if you want some, you gotta get it now. Do not hesitate. You want that in your stash today, because they're limited quantities and they won't be around for much longer as it's seasonal. You know how we like to rotate things at Hennasooq. We like to keep the freshest in stock. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Hennasooq video with me, Khadijah. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, get the notification bell so you don't miss any of my amazing videos. I cannot wait to see you guys again soon. All right, love you guys. Bye.